here's like the individual like shape used to make that pattern. So these are really handy on their own. But what I'm going to pick is this one. I'm going to copy it, go back to my original document, paste it, and you will see it shows up right here. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger like that, and then I'm going to go over into my swatches panel, drag this right over into my swatches panel like so, and you'll see that it created a little swatch right here. And it's so how that's going to work is I'm going to just create an 11 by 17 box. This will be my background, and I'm going to select the swatch. Whoops, it's on stroke. Don't want that. So select make sure I'm on the fill, and then I'm going to go back and select my pattern swatch that I just made. And how cool is that? I just made a tiling background pattern out of this little pack here. And the great thing about it is it's pretty fast to move around because it's a pattern. And you can expand this if you want to do some fine tuning, which I will do later, because I wanted to see how it's like. I wanted to get to line up exactly in the middle, see how it's kind of not exactly there. I'm going to shift it around a little bit once I get a little further along in the poster. But for now, I'm going to keep it like this. In addition to that, I'm going to create another 11 by 17 square, and I'm going to just fill it with not this yellow, but like a lighter kind of cream color, and just choose something like that. I'm going to send this to back using Control Shift and then the left bracket. Actually, I'm going to make it a little bit more yellow. There we go. Okay, cool. So this is my background. Pretty easy already. So now I'm going to need like a focal point. This is going to be a pretty simple iconic poster. I've already kind of planned it out in advance, so I knew what I was creating here. So the next thing I'm going to grab is something from the mythology pack. Crack open this mythology pack, and you'll see all sorts of sweet unicorns and various like helmets and stuff like that. So I'm going to grab this seahorse. This seahorse is something we created that's like very iconic looking. Actually, a couple of the other ones are pretty iconic looking too, which I like. But this will do for our poster. So I'm going to slap this right here and enlarge it. I'm going to click up here and align to artboard. Looks like it's already checked. And center it. Center it horizontally. Okay. So there's my seahorse. Already looking pretty cool. I'm going to start working on the type right now, just because I've kind of got my main selection here.